Have you ever wondered how top companies stay organized and productive? For many of them, the secret lies in their use of Kanban boards. We can't talk about companies that use Kanban without mentioning Toyota, its birthplace. The Japanese auto manufacturer uses the system to manage its complex manufacturing processes. The Kanban method allows Toyota to keep production smooth and efficient by visualizing work at every stage. This visual control system helps Toyota maintain high efficiency and quality in its manufacturing operations. In a time of struggle with supplies and stock, Kanban deserves much of the credit of Toyota's ascension in the 20th century, when it became the most valuable car brand in the world. Spotify, the popular music streaming service, utilizes Kanban to manage its operations. Spotify's approach to Kanban consists of making it as simple as possible. They only use the traditional to-do, doing, and done columns. They also use additional cards like defer to signal tasks that need extra time to be completed, and blocked to signal tasks that for some reason cannot be completed. By making Kanban boards visible to everyone, Spotify can save time in organization and ensure workers have more time to focus on creative work. Simmons Health Services started the implementation of Kanban after identifying problems in their agile approach. The main concerns that led to the adoption of Kanban was the lack of clarity over the amount of open stories and the difficulty visualizing the stage of tasks. To implement Kanban and enforce its practices, Simmons hired external experts that pioneered the use of Kanban in software development. By combining lean management with vital aspects of Kanban like the limitation of work in progress and transparency, Simmons has been able to achieve a remarkable impact in defect rates and team collaboration. Being one of the most popular names in the entertainment industry, Pixar has over 1,500 employees. In Pixar's use of Kanban, the different departments start their project's workflows with tasks like concept art or model, which obviously end up being the first cards in their Kanban boards. Each stage of the creative process, from storyboarding to final editing, is visualized on a Kanban board. They also employ the use of card labels to signal specific needs of each task, like request feedback, which signals to different teams that ongoing work needs evaluation. This helps different departments coordinate more efficiently, ensuring that production timelines are met without compromising on quality. Bosch, the global engineering and technology company, employs Kanban in combination with Scrum since 2018 to transition to business agility and drive innovation. The company succeeded in becoming agile by implementing the methodology from top to bottom, starting with management. Another central aspect of Bosch's approach and success is the focusing on backlog as a problem of the entire firm. Organizational issues are viewed as company-wide priority rather than localized to specific teams. This approach has helped them improve competitiveness and innovation in the fast-paced automotive industry. BBVA, a major financial institution, adopted Portfolio Kanban for better work synchronization and prioritization across multiple projects. This method has enhanced their overall efficiency, enabling quick adaptation to market changes and better management of cross-team dependencies. Portfolio Kanban is all about task hierarchy, where parent cards have children ones in the team Kanban board. In Kanbanchi, we call these parent cards epic. Each epic card is identified by a crown symbol and can have many subcards. When the subcard's tasks are completed, their completion is reflected on the progress of the epic card. You can also pin subcards to their epic. As a result of this approach to project management, BBVA reports being able to deliver higher value to its customers. Vanguard uses Kanban to streamline its workflows and improve capacity distribution. Before introducing the system, they often experienced uneven distribution of tasks. In Kanbanchi, you can visualize the work of each person in your team to make sure no one is juggling too many tasks while someone else might have empty hands. By consolidating multiple flow boards into one grand Kanban board, Vanguard has achieved greater consistency in work processes and decision-making. This has led to faster and more efficient project completion, enhancing their service delivery. Another important aspect of Vanguard's approach is the use of classes of service, which consists of setting different priorities based on importance and the risk level of tasks. Zara, one of the world's largest fashion retailers, uses Kanban to manage its supply chain and inventory. By implementing Kanban at both the store and warehouse levels, Zara can respond quickly to changing fashion trends and customer demands. This system allows them to keep low inventory levels and reduce lead times, ensuring that new designs reach the market rapidly. Kanban helps Zara maintain its competitive edge by enabling fast and flexible production cycles. Their Kanban board also includes a large amount of information, allowing decisions about workflow to be made only by taking a look at the board. In 2013, PayPal undertook a significant agile transformation to address challenges like the lack of project focus, poor dependency management, and orphan projects. This transformation included clear product ownership, portfolio-level planning, and agile training for leaders and teams. The implementation of Kanban helped them to enhance transparency and workflow efficiency across their global teams. Kanban boards were used to visualize ongoing projects, track progress, and manage dependencies effectively. Microsoft's IT operations team, led by Dragas Dimitriou, adopted Kanban to improve efficiency and optimize capacity. By implementing a pull system and visualizing workflows, the team achieved higher productivity, shorter lead times, and greater customer satisfaction. Kanban's flexibility has proven more suitable than Scrum for projects with frequent changes, allowing for real-time adjustments without the constraints of fixed sprints. The method's transparency also supports remote collaboration by enabling asynchronous work across different time zones. These success stories demonstrate the power of Kanban in managing complex projects and enhancing team performance. Ready to bring the power of Kanban to your team? Meet Kanbanchi, the ultimate Kanban board and project management tool designed for Google Workspace. With Kanbanchi, you can easily create and manage tasks, collaborate with your team, and integrate seamlessly with your favorite Google apps. Click on the link in the description to get it at a 40% discount.